Good afternoon, my name is Gavin Knox, Managing Director of Hydrogen Fuel Systems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia. Here we have the Generation 10 system, this time in a steel enclosure box. This is the new Generation 10 system with the terminals, modified terminals and improved terminals. All the terminals are welded together, MIG welded. New pumping system, much more efficient, 12 to 24 volts. And again, the power supplies have also been modified slightly. This enclosure box, it measures 43 centimetres long, 25 centimetres wide and 34 centimetres high. That's in the steel enclosure box. And it's lockable, of course. As you can see here on the top is a lockable arrangement, so you can actually put it in the back of your vehicle, lock it up securely so therefore no one can touch it. On the back of it we have a 50 amp Anderson plug there which powers the unit. Twin core 6mm double core wiring powers the whole system. What can I say? This unit is actually going on sale this weekend by an agent of mine called John Wayland at the Dalwalla News Show, the 19th of August 2017. A very efficient system. New modification of the system makes it even better. Very little heat being wasted, or very little energy being wasted as heat with the new electronic configuration. And that's about all I can say. I can be contacted on 040 317 7183 or my email glknox, that's glknox @dodo.com.au or glknox11@live.com. My webpage http://www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. Hope to speak to you soon. A new Generation 10 system based on the same configuration as the new Generation 15 system with terminals out the top, MIG welded together the plates. Very efficient system, no energy wasted as heat. Speak to you soon. Have a great day. Goodbye.